Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use VO2 Max on your Apple Watch. This important metric reflects your body's ability to use oxygen during intense activity, offering valuable insight into your overall cardiovascular health. Your watch continuously estimates this value, primarily during outdoor walks, runs, or hikes, when your heart rate is elevated. The watch gathers data from its heart rate sensor and GPS, providing a reliable approximation of your fitness level. Understanding this measurement can help you track and improve your endurance over time. Achieving precise VO2 max measurements requires proper watch usage. Ensure your Apple Watch fits snugly on your wrist, allowing its sensors to capture consistent heart rate data. For the most accurate estimations, participate in outdoor walking, running, or hiking workouts lasting at least 20 minutes with significant effort. Regularly calibrating your watch also enhances accuracy, as it learns your stride and pace over time. These steps help your watch gather optimal information for its calculations. Once your Apple Watch has collected enough data, you can view your VO2 max estimate within the Health app on your iPhone under the Respiratory section. This section displays your score and categorizes it relative to typical values for your specific age and biological sex. A score in the above average or high range suggests excellent cardiovascular fitness, while lower scores might indicate room for improvement. Remember, consistency in your workouts provides the most reliable trend data. Improving your VO2 max involves consistent effort and smart training. Incorporate regular aerobic exercises, such as brisk walking, running, or cycling, into your routine. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, can be particularly effective in boosting your cardiovascular capacity. Coupled with a balanced diet and sufficient sleep, these lifestyle choices contribute significantly to your fitness. Over time, as you consistently train, you will likely observe positive changes in your VO2 max score, reflecting enhanced endurance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.